Once there was a man who owned a computer firm, and it was a very important firm, but they had a problem, and it was late on Friday. They had to have things fixed by the weekend. So he knew one man who was very good, but also very expensive, and they had to send for him. The man came and looked over this system and looked at all their computers and asked for a hammer. And they gave him a hammer, and he went up to one of the computers, and just on the side, about 3/4 of the way along, he gave a sharp tap. And they said, switch everything off again, and then on again. And so they did that. They switched everything off, and everything went blank, switched it on, and everything worked. And the man said, well, I'm going to give you the bill right now. And he wrote out his bill, $500, and gave to the man. Well, come Monday morning, everything was working fine, but the company director thought, $500 just for a tap with a hammer, that's a lot. I'm going to ask him to itemize the bill. And so he did. And 2 days later, the bill came back, and this is how it read. $500 for fixing your computer system. $5 for the hammer tap, and $495 for knowing exactly where to tap.